Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we are ripping Panini 2021 Prizm NFL Mega Box. So far with Prizm NFL 2021 I've ripped one blaster box. The first box was slightly disappointing. Other than Kyler Murray, Brilliance, and a laser CD Lamb, didn't really hit anything, didn't hit any of the top rookies. So the bar is set very low. Hopefully we can do better with the Mega Box. So with the Mega Box we get 4 cards per pack for 10 packs for a total of 40 cards. And the Mega Box we get 1 memorabilia card. So just like all the Panini retail memorabilia cards these days, it's not player worn or game worn, it's just a jersey that the players did not wear. But nevertheless, it's still better than a base card. And we should have 3 silver prisms from this box and also 2 Mega Box exclusive neon green pulsar prisms with rookies. So yeah, this product is pretty hard to get. I was very fortunate to get a couple of these. So let's open the first Mega Box and see what we get. Hopefully we can get one of the top rookie quarterbacks this time, or one of the top 3 wide receivers, or one of the Steelers rookies. So yeah, last couple months the releases have been slow on the retail side, but looks like things will be picking up next month or so with Prizm basketball, optics football, and also select football. And I think UFC Select is coming out next week. We'll see if they will do a retail version of that. Okay, so here are our 10 packs. This feels thicker, well, probably the mem card. Let's leave that till the end. So let's get started and see if we have better luck with the Mega Box. Okay, first pack we have a Leonard Floyd, Curtis Samuel, rookie Demetric Felton of the Browns, and then we have our first insert, Emergent Terrace Marshall Jr. So I've actually been collecting Terrace Marshall on the side after I pulled his Contenders Preview auto rookie card from Playoff Mega Box. So I have a few of his cards. So nice to get another one. Hopefully will have a better season next year with whoever is at the quarterback position for the Panthers. Okay, looks like we have a green Pulsar here of Marshall Faulk, Danielle Hunter, Jamin Davis rookie, and then we have a first green Pulsar of the Chiefs, not a rookie, Tyreek Hill. Is a former Chief now that he's with the Dolphins. Oh, okay. Looks like we have a red and black checker board. That's a case hit. So, yeah, the black and red checker is a case hit for Mega Boxes. Well, looks like we have something nice. So, let's see what it is. I know some other YouTubers like to save the suspense for last, but I can't wait to see what this is. So, let's get to it. Sam Hubbard. Ambry Thomas rookie. Well, let's see the back first. With Fireworks, Dak Prescott. So Let's see what the case hit is. Let's see if we get a rookie. Nope. Okay, we got rookie. Oh, so Bengals rookie, but not Jamar Chase. Is not Captain America, but Chris Evans. Still nice. Didn't expect to hit a case hit from this box. Hopefully he will do well next year. I didn't really follow him. Didn't hear too much about him last year. I know Joe Mixon is their starting running back. Okay. Nice case hit. Wish it was Jamar Chase, but can't complain about getting a case hit. Prizm is pretty hard to hit anything this year. Yep, let's keep going. Okay, we got Chris Herndon, Charles Woodson. The cards keep flipping up and down. So Amari Rogers, rookie, and then a green pulsar, rookie. It's Patriots rookie, but not the one we're looking for. Christian Barmore. I was hoping for Mac Jones. Okay, so we should get 2 green pulsar rookies from this box, and this is one of them. Okay, another green pulsar. So starting out we have Grady Jarrett, AJ Dillon. I like him because he also collects cards, and I think he has a Twitch or YouTube channel that he talks about cards. Jacob Harris, rookie, and then a green pulsar. There's our other rookie. We have Dwayne Eskridge. So looks like we still haven't hit any of the top rookies yet. Okay, another green pulsar. Let's see. Derrick Henry, Larry Johnson, the base Chris Evans, and then our probably a not rookie green pulsar of Carson Wentz. Okay, 4 packs left. We haven't hit any of the silver. Supposed to hit 3 silver Prizm per box. Okay, looks like we have a silver. Starting off with James Robinson, Jeff Okuta, Jabril Cox rookie, and then our first silver Prizm is a Green Bay Packer, not a rookie. Nice, Brett Favre. Okay, 3 packs left, so I think the mem card should be on the left bottom pack. Looks like we have another pulsar, but I'm not sure how we're supposed to get 2 more silver. So let's see, Jesse Bates, Travis Fulgham, Kyle Trask rookie. It's a rookie quarterback, that's nice. And then his teammate, Chris Godwin. Okay, 2 packs left, so I'm expecting 1 silver in each one if we're hitting the average. Okay, Odell Beckham, Thurman Thomas, Jalen Phillips rookie, and then our silver is not a rookie, Eric Metcalf. Not very familiar with this name. Okay, I think he played in the 90s. Okay, last pack. There should be our mem card and hopefully one silver. And we didn't hit any of the top rookies, but still got a red and black checkerboard. Okay, so starting off we have a Tyler Boyd, Chuba Hubbard rookie. Then let's see the silver first. Silver is Raheem Mostert. Okay, and then our mem card, let's show it this way. Flip. Trey Sermon, rookie. Okay, not bad. So that is all the cards we got. So overall, I would have to say I'm happy with this break, mainly because of the red and black checker board that we hit. But we still haven't hit any of the top rookies, so hopefully we'll do better in my second mega box. So let's go over the rookies: Chuba Hubbard, Kyle Trask, Jabril Cox, Chris Evans, Jacob Harris, Amari Rogers, Embry Thomas, Jamin Davis, and Demetric Felton. Then we got the rookie gear, Trey Sermon. Then for the inserts in parallel, we got the Dak Prescott, Fireworks, Emergent, Terrace Marshall, Eric Metcalf Silver, Chris Godwin, Neon Green Pulsar, Brett Favre Silver, Carson Wentz Neon Green, Dwayne Eskridge, Christian Barmore, Tyreek Hill, Raheem Mostert, and our best card from the break, Chris Evans. So yeah, let's see how he plays next year. I didn't really hear much about him. So yeah, thanks for watching. This box definitely exceeded my expectation, even though there's no top rookies, but red and black checkerboard of a rookie. That's not bad. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.